In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Markov Chain 3D in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. It can be any symbol or time frame. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is pulled up and you're comfortable with the layout, we're going to add the Markov Chain 3D indicator. Look toward the top of your TradingView chart for the indicators button. On most layouts, this sits in the main toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicator and Strategy window, which is where you can search for and add any tools you want to use in your analysis. At the top of this window, you'll see a search bar. Make sure your cursor is in that bar and then click on it so you can type. This is where you'll look up the Markov Chain 3D script. In the search bar, start typing Markov Chain 3D. As you type, TradingView will list matching indicators below. Give it a second to load if your connection is slow, and then look through the results for the exact Markov Chain 3D entry. Once you see Markov Chain 3D in the list, move your mouse over it and click on it one time. TradingView will immediately apply it to your active chart. You should now see additional visuals overlaid on your price action, depending on how the indicator is designed. If nothing appears, double check that the correct chart is selected and that you clicked on the actual indicator name, not just highlighted the search text. From here, you can open the indicator settings if you want to fine-tune things like colors, sensitivity, or any other adjustable parameters the script provides. You can do that by hovering over the indicator name in the top left corner of your chart, then clicking the settings icon. Adjust these options slowly, one at a time, so you can see how each change affects your chart. To get the most out of Markov Chain 3D and similar advanced tools, it helps to use TradingView Pro rather than the free plan, especially if you're running multiple indicators or layouts at once. If you'd like to upgrade, check out my affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks more features inside TradingView that make working with indicators like Markov Chain 3D a lot smoother. That's all you need to start using Markov Chain 3D in TradingView Pro.